Hello from the Bureau of Meteorology. Join me as we check out the weather forecast around the country for the end of the working week. And we have had rain the past few days for the southwest and the south, but on Friday, that is going to be the southeast's turn as some showery, stormy weather moves through New South Wales, parts of Victoria, parts of Tasmania too. Away from this corner of the map, generally fine and settled conditions persist, including for much of Queensland. A bright, clear, calm day across the southeast, 25 degrees and sunny for Brisbane. A little bit further up the coastline from about Mackay northwards, a shower or two through the day and some gusty southeast winds. And for most central and western areas, a warm and very windy day, and that will bring high to extreme fire danger to many districts. Mostly fine weather on Friday along the New South Wales coast, but the winds will be picking up after lunch and some cloud overhead at times. Inland spots will start to see some showers and storms developing through the morning. That could reach Canberra sometime during the afternoon or evening. So a bit of a wet finish there after a dry start. Maybe one or two showers for the southeast coast too. Generally just spotty rainfall totals somewhere between 2 and 15 millimetres for most places. A real change in the weather across Victoria on Friday after the warm sunny day on Thursday. Rain moves into the west very early on in the morning with isolated thunderstorms. That will reach Melbourne sometime during the morning hours. Then the afternoon, the central and eastern districts bear the brunt of wet and potentially stormy weather, while it will actually clear over the west of the state during those afternoon hours. We might see moderate rainfall totals around the Victorian ranges, but almost all other areas will only see rain in the single digits. Tasmania will also get that weather change moving through, rain into the northwest through Friday morning, and then Friday afternoon we'll see the rest of the state see a bit of wet weather. For those in the south, including around Hobart, that's probably just 1 or 2 showers through the afternoon hours, with large portions of your day being relatively fine. But if you are living along the northern coast, including around Launceston, those afternoon and evening showers will be fairly persistent. Possibility of a spot of early wet weather in southeastern South Australia, but clearing sometime between about 4 a.m. and 8 a.m. After that, returning to dry weather across the state, just the chance of a spot of drizzle here or there around the southern coastlines. Temperatures are a little bit cooler on Friday with that westerly wind after we've had some hot days with the northerly wind earlier in the week. For Western Australia, we'll also have the cooler southwest flow across these areas down here. A few showers through the day south of Geraldton and west of Esperance, including around Perth. Not as wet or as windy as it has been the last few days for Perth, but not the most inspiring weather nonetheless. Further north and further inland should stay dry, temperatures a little bit below average for this time of year. Across northern Australia, warm weather reigns supreme. It's another hot day for many with heatwave conditions for parts of the top end. Around the northern coast of the Kimberley and the coast of the top end, humidity is running high at the moment, and that could bring us 1 or 2 afternoon showers. There's also the risk of a storm in the far south of the state through the afternoon hours. Looking into the weekend now for Saturday, we'll continue to see some weak cold fronts impact southern areas, and that'll bring some chilly winds and some showers through Tasmania and Victoria at times on Saturday. For many of the other capitals, including Perth, Adelaide, Canberra and Sydney, Saturday is more just like the chance of 1 or 2 quick showers, with large portions of your day bringing fine weather, and it's staying pretty settled across central and northern Australia, just a few showers starting to bubble up across the top end and the Kimberley. To see what else the weekend has in store for you, find your forecast at the Bureau website and app. Thanks for watching.